stopping spitting. I built garages for this shit cause I'm that type of driven. Treating my mind like a reactor, I don't mind the vision. Some niggas building companies, I build the coalitions. Been catching bodies, need a sponsorship, but no one session. All these times I track this shit and see who is the real addition. Niggas got issues, they should run and live intimidations. I wanna act like any other could be competition. There's no suspicion from my senses, I've been optimistic. I got the flow down for these corners now, I wanna whip it. I catch an angle, they been scared to take it, lose suspension. The acumen on the acumen angle, true the inches. You see me swinging into door, just hold on to the hinges. You let the scatter spin the message, they gon' lose the Frenches. When you the king, they only fight to find out who the prince is. This shit a different type of game, I came with new conditions. The hardest